Every day, America generates enough energy from nature to power millions of homes and drive a digital age. Solar panels convert sunlight into electricity, fueled by silicon cells, with decreasing costs and vast potential across the country. Wind turbines turn air into power, while hydroelectric dams store river energy, offering reliable baseload and fast ramping. Geothermal taps underground heat for steady power with a tiny land footprint, hinting at a resilient grid for tomorrow. Do you think America can transition to fully renewable energy, and will you subscribe to join the journey toward greener tech?